Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you're oldie but goodie, what's up? If today's your first time joining to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you turn the notification bell on, so with that you'll be informed when there's a new video on my channel. Coming up to you with a makeup tutorial. I've sat down I think twice. I thought, girl, you haven't done a makeup tutorial for a while, so why not create just kind of simple and bright makeup tutorial for the summer. Come up with this kind of bold black liner and metallic liner with a purple lips, in which I'm feeling right now. I really love this look. Super easy to recreate. If you recreate this look, don't forget, or if you want to recreate, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, or you leave me a comment and tell me you love this look. Thank you for the love on my previous video. I do appreciate you guys a lot, like seriously. You can request any video from me. I'll be glad to do that for you guys as well. I'm on this channel. So without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I put all this kind of summer bright look together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Excuse me, that was my phone number. My phone is always on silent when I'm filming, like seriously. Already know the deal. Don't forget to do you. Stay pretty and stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, ciao.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Let me in this crashing into me, so close to the edge.